Hi guys, welcome to Not So Nerdy channel. We are on the 10th question of solving NeetCode 150 questions with me, and the question is about two sum part 2 input array is sorted. So given a one indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these two numbers be numbers index 1 and numbers index 2, where index 1 and 2 lies between 1 and the number's length, and index 1 is less than index 2. Return the indices of the two numbers, index 1 and index 2, added by 1 as an integer array, index 1 and index 2 of length 2. So this time, okay, let's check the example first to understand that better. So we have an input of 2, 7, 11 and 15, and our target is 9. So our output will be 1 and 2. Why? Because we can see that we have 2 and 7, and this time the index is added by 1, means we will start the index by 1, not 0. That is why the output will be 1 and 2. Similarly, for this, the numbers are 2, 3, 4 and our target is 6. So our output will be 1 and 3. So for this, we need to find the sum of two numbers, okay, and like it should be equal to the target. Now how can we start this? Our main aim is to use two pointers for this, and as I explained in my previous video as well, let's take this as an example. Now suppose our target value is 9. So for that we will have 2 points, p1 at 1, p2 at the end of the number array. Now we have to check that p1 plus p2 is equal to target value or not. As we can see, our aim is 9, but we are getting 10. So the number is bigger than the target value. So we have to reduce it. We have to check the number which is less than which should be less than 10. Basically, the right hand pointer should come to the previous pointer. So next we will check 1 plus 7. Now that gives us value 8, which is less than the target value. So we need to increase the left side pointer and check whether the next element gives us the sum as the target value. So we'll check for 2 and 7. Now 2 and 7 gives us the target value as 9. So our result will be 2, 4, because we are adding the indexes by 1. So that's the basic requirement. Now for this, again, we will start by having two pointers, say left, left equal to 0, 0th index, right equal to length of numbers minus 1. I hope you guys know why we are doing minus 1 here, okay? So now we will do while. Again, the left part should be less than the right part. So while left is less than right, we'll have to check whether the current value is equal to target or not. So first we will store the current value in let's say a variable value, or let's say current val, which will be equal to numbers left plus numbers right. So we have stored the we have stored the sum of the left side number and the right side number in the current value. Now we have to check whether the current value is equal to the target. If it equals the target, we have our answer already. So first condition would be, if current val equal to target value, we will return. Now for returning, we have to check whether the for returning we have to add +1 to the indexes, because we don't want to start our index by 0. So we will return it as index left index +1 comma right index +1. Now if current value is not equal to target, we have to check whether it is less than target. So elif is used for elsif as elsif. So elif current val is less than target, so if it is less than target, we have to change our left side index to the next index. So left index would increment by 1. And if nothing else, and if our current value is greater than target, we have to increment the right hand, we have to decrement the right hand index by 1. So right minus equal to 1. So I hope you get a clear picture on how the thought process of this question is. And finally we will return. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Next one. Okay. So why are we returning -1 here? If none of this works, if there are no values which add up to target, we have to return -1. And if there is if the current value get equals to target, we will return left +1 and right +1. And if again current value is less than target, we will increment the left index by 1. And if current value is greater than target, we have to decrement the right index by 1. Okay, let's try running it. So feel free to ask your doubts and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you.